Hi, this is Max from DigiMax, and today we'll be discussing about the standard search operators that we are going or we can use in our Twitter search. So, first of all, what is a search operator? A search operator by definition is a character or a string of character that is used in search engine query to narrow the scope of the search. Other search operators are typically used directly in front of a query word or phrase with no space in between. Example of a search operator could be a hashtag, filter, semicolon, or inverted commas with the query or in between. So let's move on to Twitter. This is we are going to enter all our search operator and see what are the results. So first of all, if I write about digital marketing, this operator will help me find tweets containing both digital and marketing. You can say that this is a default operator. Now if I write digital marketing again but with inverted commas in between, so what this will do, this will help me find tweets containing the exact phrase digital marketing. So if I move downwards, you can see each of these tweets have digital marketing in them. Now moving back into our search query, if I write, let's suppose, love or hate, so our standard search operator is or. So if I write love or hate and I press enter, this will help me find tweets containing either love or hate or both. So if you see, this tweet contains love over here. If I move further downward, this tweet contains love, again love, and this contains hate. So this query will help me find either love or hate or both. Now if I'll go back again and write digital minus marketing, so it will help me find tweets containing the word digital but not marketing. So you can see over here as well. Now further onwards, now if I, let's suppose, use the hashtag digital, this will help me find tweets containing the hashtag digital over here. Now let's try another search operator. Let's suppose I want to write 2 is the search operator over here, semicolon, and I want to write NASA. This will help me find a tweet authored in reply to Twitter account NASA. See? Now if I write at NASA, this will help me find tweets mentioning Twitter account NASA. Further downward again, see, it will help me find tweets from NASA and mentioning the tweet NASA, mentioning the Twitter account NASA. So another search operator, if I want to search, let's suppose, puppy, I want to filter tweets with media. So puppy is the word that I'm looking for. Filter semicolon is the search operator, and if I press enter, this will help me find tweets containing puppy and an image or a video. Now if this is a very important search operator, if I delete media and if I write native underscore video, This will help me find tweets containing puppy and an uploaded video, amplified video, periscope or Vine. So a native video is uploaded or created on social media for specifically for that specific social media platform. Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn are some of the examples. Okay, now if I want to search for tweets containing puppy, I'm sorry, and a pic.twitter.com link representing one or more photos, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write TWIMG. So this will help me find tweets containing puppy and a link representing one or more photos. Now if I want to find URL of something, I want to say URL in Amazon. I'm sorry, Amazon. So this will help me find tweets containing puppy and a URL with the word Amazon anywhere within it. So let's see. Let's go to this. See where it takes us. So Amazon. Here it is. Here is the word Amazon. So moving further, if I want to find tweets containing or asking a question, I'm going to write puppy and question mark. So guys, these were some of the important search operators that you can use to refine your query. Other than that, there's always this advanced search which will help you further refine your query and will help you in digital marketing as well. If you don't know how to use the advanced search, I've already made a video on this. You can find it in the link over here. I hope this has been helpful and thank you.